Hey, welcome back. This is to show you the hardwired switch on the other side of the Lutron Caseta switch that we're gonna do. So basically, I've already taken out all the wires, and I like explaining it this way instead. Two traveler wires coming from that side right here, and this is my power wire. This is where the entire unit is getting power from. Since I've already tested everything, I already know. Again, this side is always this side is already off from the breaker. Always use a voltage tester to test that, but I already know this side is off. But anyways, on this side, what we need to do is, if you saw my other video, I tied this to the blue wire. So I'm not going to mess with that quite yet, but the other two wires we need to tie together. Now, we need to put these two wires together and then stick it onto one of these screws. Now, to let you guys know, you don't want, even though it seems like there's two holes right here, you kind of don't want to put one wire in this hole and one wire in that hole. There have been problems in the past, and code actually doesn't want you to do it because it can be uneven, and one side can slip out if it's not tight enough, and while the other wire stays in. So you kind of don't want to put both wires in here. So how you want to do it is, you want to take that yellow wire that's included in your package. Lutron already included this already for us in their package, and then with those three wires, we want to tie these three wires together right here. So we want to get that one, those two, and then the third wire, and you want to tie those in together. So we're going to tie these three wires in together. All right, get that nice and tight. All right, so then now on this end we only have one wire, and we're gonna put this wire onto this screw right here. So we're gonna just put that there and just tighten that. There you go. That's nice and tight. And remember how this wire, this other traveler wire, was tied into the blue wire back there? We want to take this to the different color screw, which is this black one right here. And then that's where we're going to tie that into. And then on this three-way switch, that's done. Now we already have our three-way switch for that side and this side. So that's it. That's how you actually install a hardwired switch with a Lutron Caseta on-off switch. So, all right. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to pair a occupancy sensor with this system. So, look forward to that next video. All right.